today is the day. All right, guys, so you guys know I did that giveaway. We have Miss Landa flying in right now. I'm at the airport all by my lonesome, but the Virginia weather right now is just doing what it wants to do. You make plans, God will laugh at it. I don't know if you guys seen, but I have met her before. She took one of my classes, which makes this even better for me because I just feel like she's more deserving. I saw that she even bought like my course before. She's been shopping with me, like my products and stuff. So it just feels full circle because it feels like she is just, not saying no one else would have been deserving, but it feels good that it's actually like a real life supporter that supports me in the giveaway and being the first one to win the giveaway. So yeah, I'm excited. This giveaway, like, it's my first. I just kind of want it to be special. I want it to be nice. So yeah, I'm sitting at the airport right now waiting for her to come out. I'm expecting maybe a text or a call from her, and I will try to take the camera with me to greet her so you guys can see that.
How you doing?
Good.
Do you remember me?
Yes, I do.
I had my little sister with me.
Once I saw you told me you were at the class, I went and looked, and I was like, oh, I do remember her.
Yes, girl. I said, it's been like 4 years.
Wow.
That's
I
crazy.
was just saying to the camera, I was like, I saw that you bought my class. I'm like, this is well deserving.
Yeah,
I'm like,
you
I'm
so
so glad she
sweet.
won it.
I was hollering, girl. My friends were just like,
For real?
yeah, everybody was like, you deserve this. I never do nothing for myself. I always take care of everybody else. So they was like, go ahead and go. I was sad because I had to leave my 5-year-old.
Oh,
and they was
sorry.
like, go.
Just go. It's just one day.
Just one day. I said, look at me over here being emotional. It is one day and I deserve this. My auntie was like, go, you deserve it. So I'm excited, girl. Get my hair done, look cute. First class. My mom was like, okay, first class. I was like, y'all. My husband told me, make sure you give her the footage too so she can show.
I
They
know.
flew me out. I mean, first class, everything. I said, oh, wow. Love it, girl.
I just knew as soon as I spoke to Landa on the phone that it was going to be a great experience. As you guys can see, as soon as we met, we just kicked it off right away. She is such a fun, loving, bubbly person, and just her personality alone made this experience so inviting, warming, and just exciting to do. And come to find out, her husband and herself went to school with my husband back in Pensacola, Florida, and learning that alone was just what a coinkydink. Like, it's such a small world out here, and this just all kicked off the experience so wonderfully, and I was so excited. All right, I'm about to put y'all up for the ride because it's raining outside. So. Toodles, we got here safely. Yes. Say hi, Lynn. Yes, y'all already heard. Bye. All right, come on, we can
Thank
hurry
goodness
up.
for this. For this. We can get messed up. Okay. There we go. Meet y'all.
Hey guys, this is my cousin Ashley. This is my sister.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Kim.
Sorry, Lil, nice to meet
This is
you.
Amanda. All right.
I'm getting you guys getting me.
Welcome.
Wow, she went to school with Curtis and her husband.
Girl.
Oh my God, it was meant to be.
Wait,
Yes,
really?
we said. Yes. When I first met her for taking her braided class. Oh, that's so cool. I know him. I'm excited. I've been excited. She told me. And I was screaming.
I know, she was screaming on the
It
phone.
was so fun. I was driving. I was hollering.
30, 32.
It was this way, right?
I'm by the stage.
You already know I said I'm a scary cat. That's look. We were dying laughing, girl. So she said something. That room is hot. Don't tell us. Ah! Oh my goodness! That is so nice. second. Let me see my husband. I already told you everything you have done for me, and now look at this. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Y'all are so sweet.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Y'all are so sweet. Mwah.
All right.
Girl. Well, I say you done outdid yourself. You better stop playing. Oh my
Now
God.
everybody gonna be expecting this. Where my food at? Where my
So
side?
sweet, girl. Look, oh my goodness. Look at the view. Oh my God.
I ain't getting a view.
Yeah, look at the view, girl.
I ain't been in here, so.
The lights is, oh my goodness.
Wow, this room nice.
This is so nice. Thank y'all so much.
Just make sure these locked.
Yeah, we made sure. Oh, thank y'all.
Kim was scared, that's why y'all went outside. You gonna scare the lady, Kim.
We checked like all the compartment, like all of these.
Y'all hilarious. Thank you. Look.
So should we, oh hold on, do we sit? Oh wow.
Oh, where the hoops are.
Y'all want right here? It's not gonna be on the whole time. I'm just trying to be a content creator out here. Is it on anybody? Hi. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's not gonna be there the whole time. It's not gonna be there the whole time. Alright, let me turn it off. We about to eat, y'all. We about to eat. Alright, so like we were talking about earlier, right? What's the most lit area? Obviously this over here looks lit, right? But the sun is glaring, right? So this is lit also, but it's not like, the sun's not gonna be like too much, yeah, it's shining on you. So that's why I'm trying to pick over here, but I still gotta come and put the camera and see like what looks better. Okay. But the sun would be doing too much if we film from here. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
As soon as I found out what style Landa wanted, I reached out to Curlsqueen and asked them if they could sponsor this video and send me some hair, and they replied, of course, why not? So I ended up getting 3 bundles of their body wave hair, which I love. The hair is so full, so thick. One thing about this hair, the weft is really thick, so they do pack a lot of hair in there, and I'm able to get all 3 bundles in with no issues. The one thing I would say is with the weft being so thick, it's really hard to fold, so I did have to do a lot of cutting, but I was intentional about my weft placement, so it was just a breeze to get through. I did end up cutting a few at the top, however, it's no biggie for me. So as you can see, her hair is super full and nice. And so we're going to be doing a install today. It's going to be a middle part straight, and we're going to be leaving out her entire perimeter. So the first thing I want to do is establish her middle part and the hair that's going to be covering the tracks. So I part the middle. Of course, y'all know my signature my signature starter is always parting down the middle no matter what I'm doing. And so I went ahead and made sure she can get a nice straight middle part, and then now I'm pulling the hair around that part, and this is the hair that's going to be left out. And a way to test if the hair is thick enough, as you can tell, she has thick hair, so it will be no problem, and I wouldn't have to leave that much hair out. So a way to tell is I always fold the hair down on top of the comb, and if I can see the comb through the hair, then it's not enough hair out. But if I cannot see the comb, then I have enough hair out. So this is how much hair I ended up leaving out at the top. She has really thick hair, so I knew I didn't have to really worry too much about what I'm leaving out. So I went ahead and braided that out the way, and then I'm going to just jump into taking out the perimeter as well. And as you're going around the perimeter, you do also want to be intentional about how much hair you're leaving out. And, you know, I always leave out a decent amount, not too much, not too little, but just enough to, if she needed to throw it up in a ponytail, everything would be covered and it would be a breeze to do so. So I went ahead and fold that out the way, and I'm just going to braid this hair out the way. Later on, you guys are going to see me unravel this and straighten this out. So this is all perimeter left out. So now I'm just doing the anchor braids, which if you've watched my videos before, these braids are really important to this style. And so I typically do about 2 anchor braids going in this direction, and then 2 more going along her hairline. And this is going to secure all the weft in place, and it's going to be super flat. So anchor braids are really small braids that is going to allow for a super flat install. So once I've completed the 2 small braids at the top on this side, I go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And once that's completed, I go in and do the braids around the perimeter. Now the perimeter braid is done intermittently. So I'm going to do this one first, and then I'm going to go on the other side and bring the other braid around. Instead of doing like 2 and then doing the other 2 like I did at the top, I'm going to exchange them as I go, just so that I can tuck the end of the hair into the braid. So as you guys are going to see, once I start braiding this one, the end of the first braid that I did is going to be tucked into this braid. As you guys can see, it's super small, and I didn't end up using any braiding hair in her hair because her hair is already thick. So using braiding hair would obviously make the hair even more thick, and we were already fighting for our lives trying to pack all the braids in on this install. So adding braiding hair would have made the install so bulky and big, and so sometimes you do have to opt out of that. So now is where I'm going to draw the end of the other braid into this braid and continue to braid on, and that is how you kind of get rid of the ends of your braids, is by just braiding it into another braid. While I'm tugging on that braid at the back, I'm making sure it's still a little loose and not really like pulling. Since it's pulling in the opposite end, I didn't want to like pull too much, so it was a little loose. So now I'm just braiding these regular braids down. As you can see, the 2 braids in the front are smaller than the other braids that follow. So yeah, the perimeter braids are super small, and then once I get into the middle, I kind of do them a little big. Now I'm oiling her scalp with the Carol's Daughters Goddess Strength 7 oil, something like that. I'm gonna tag it for you guys. And now I'm going in with the weft and go securing the weft. You really need some strong some very sharp needles. Like I said, the weft is really thick, and to me that is a great thing, but I can see it being somewhat difficult for stylists because it is hard to fold. However, I can pack 4 bundles in here because the weft is just so thick and it's just filled with hair. So I did end up folding over some, and once I got to the top though, you have to have some discernment about that and not fold over at the top. So now I'm starting with a freshly cut weft, and I'm adding it up. And this I'm just flying through because I've had other videos of how I do my weft placement, but as you guys can see, like it comes along the hairline so that the hair kind of moves forward, and then most of my other wefts are kind of starting from the first 2 wefts, the first 2 braids that I did. So those are my anchors, so those are going to get the bulk of my weft on them, and that's just how I place the hair. All right, so now I'm on like the last 1 or 2 braids, and again, this is going to be a really flat sewing just by the placement. I was able to get every single bundle in there. Maybe a couple inches was not put in there, but I got all 3 bundles in, and it's a lot of hair. It definitely matched her, her hair, her length, all that stuff. So yeah, this is the final little go around. And as I pull the thread through, I'm stitching at each turn, especially at the top. I think I do that for every single one, but especially at the top, you really have to like double stitch each turn, because this where all the stress is going to be, is at the top. And I'm going to just lock this thread in and cut off the excess. Now that I've done that, I got all the weave out the way, and then I'm just going to straighten her natural hair. And look how long that is, you guys. Then I go in and I'm going to straighten some more. And now I'm at the top and I'm just going to straighten the top out. Does the hair match her hair 100%? No. As far as the color, the hair was a little bit lighter, but not too bad, but definitely a little bit lighter. But with some wax stick or something, you can definitely get the hair to blend in a lot more, and that's what I use to help the hair to blend in. All right, so this is the finished look, you guys. I've slicked down her edges. I'm using the Care wax stick right now just to kind of blend her hair in. You don't want to use too much because you don't want her to have a greasy head, but most definitely it helps to blend the hair in, and she is just loving it, you guys.
Stop playing with me, okay? Ah! Yes, boo. Okay, killing it. Like, period. Okay. Like, oh, and come on here. Oh wow, boo. Oh, you girl. Stop playing. Look. Okay. Ah, yes.
I gotta get the finished look.
Period.
We're good.
I love it, boo. Thank you so much. Yeah, very full, girl.
Straight.
Yes, ma'am.
Got all of it in there.
Yes, ma'am. Real flat. Stop playing. Oh my God. Yes, thank you so much, boo. I appreciate you.
Thanks for being great. Y'all, we in there. All the information for the hair will be in the description, you guys. So I'll go ahead and drop that for you and use the discount code to get some money off of it. But this is the finished look, y'all. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. All right, girl.
Bye, boo. Thank you so much.
Hold on, I'm coming out.
Okay. We really did. Thank you so much, love. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything, girl. Yes, nice seeing you, boo. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Look. Thank you, boo. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, I will text you as I board and then as I land. Okay. And when I make it home too. All right. Thank you so much, babe.
Don't put the brush in your thing.
Yes, so I keep it. Oh, trust me.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
All right, you guys, I really wish she could have stayed longer, but she only came in for one night and got her hair done and left. But let me know what you guys think. I love this experience and I will definitely think about doing it again.